Consumer-class 3D printers have become a vital tool in people's lives. The Creality CR-10 Smart, with innovative modular design, allows a 6-step assembly process. You can finish assembling within 8 minutes. The 4.3-inch full viewing angle touchscreen and the brand new UI. You can enjoy a hassle-free leveling process and instant printing after initial auto leveling is completed. With the Creality Cloud app, you can easily slice 3D models, remote control your printers, whenever and wherever with your phone. Elegant design inspired by supercars shows off the magical combination of aesthetics and technology. Print personal objects to show your love and add a bit of fun to life. Tweak your 3D printers and enjoy DIY upgrades to the fullest. The screen will dim when it's being inactive for 30 minutes to save power. Using Creality Cloud's remote control, you are always able to control your 3D printer, even when you're not physically present. The strengthened triangle structure turns a super stable platform into reality. Forget about the darkness. The built-in LEDs allow you to monitor the progress of your prints, even if the light in the room is off. Our patented quiet 32-bit motherboard, low-noise power supply, and highly efficient cooling fans ensure a silent 3D printing experience.
For years, our intention has been to make your ideas real. Ideas so disruptive, they can fundamentally shift the axis of tomorrow. But then, we came up with a radically new idea of our own. This is Method, the first performance 3D printer. Developing a performance 3D printer required bridging the gap between industrial 3D printing accuracy and desktop 3D printer accessibility. We began by building upon the bedrock of several patented technologies from Stratasys, then refined and optimized every feature down to the last detail. The circulating heated chamber utilizes 2 heat exchangers with active blowers to fully envelop each print with hot air during the entire print duration. The result is twofold: consistent dimensional accuracy and optimal part strength. The seamless orchestration between the dual performance extruders provides a consistent feed of hot liquefied material across every print layer. The dual drive gear system grips material securely with 3 times the force of a typical desktop 3D printer. The extruder's length and thermal cores are 50% longer than a desktop hot end and allow for more efficient heating during the entire material loading and extrusion process. Method allows you the freedom to print in virtually unlimited geometry by utilizing best-in-class water-soluble PVA support. Inside, a rigorously tested and ultra-rigid full-body metal frame design eliminates flexing that typically occurs during high-speed print movements. Less flexing means more consistent prints with better part accuracy and uncompromised performance. Sitting on a lab-calibrated base manufactured from precision machined aluminum, the build plate leverages high-strength positional magnets to conform itself truly flat to the bed base. Build plate adhesion comes from a layer of polycarbonate and the elevated temperature of the plate as it absorbs heat from the circulating heated chamber. Once the print is complete, the plate pulls off from its base and can be easily flexed to release the finished printed part. Combined with MakerBot's existing suite of smart accessibility features and software, including 21 strategically placed sensors, a 5-inch capacitive touchscreen, an onboard camera, intelligent material monitoring, and MakerBot Print, which supports over 25 native CAD file types. Method isn't just introducing a new category of 3D printing, it's redefining it altogether. This is Method. Innovation unlocked.
Welcome to Monoprice. My name is Tyler, and today I will be showing you the latest version of our best-selling 3D printer, the Monoprice Select Mini Pro. From its previous model, there have been a number of changes, a number of improvements that have helped to assist you in your overall experience with this unit. One of which is a removable heat bed to help make replacing the build surface and removing your projects much easier. Other features would include a new heated bed which routes the ribbon cables from its own separate heating plate away from any of the moving parts, an LCD touchscreen to help eliminate the need for a control knob, an all-aluminum body making it ultra lightweight, easy to move, and better looking, as well as an inductive sensor to help with auto bed leveling. Furthermore, the printer is now featuring the ability to adjust the Z height on the fly. So, if you're in the middle of a print, you will be able to adjust the height of the nozzle if you feel that it is offset a bit too high or too low in the middle of the print. Out of the box, the unit is ready to print. You will just want to run the new auto leveling function first to do so. Plug in the unit and navigate to the Move menu where you will have all of the axis move functions. In the Z-axis menu, there is a center sub-menu to access the auto bed leveling settings. This will display the currently set Z-axis offset, which out of the box should not need to be modified. At the bottom of the menu will have a button to initiate auto bed leveling, and the unit will be checking all four corners using the inductive sensors to calculate the distance between the nozzle and the bed. It then stores the information in the bed memory. Congratulations, you're ready to print. We hope you enjoy the printer. I'm Tyler with Monoprice, and I thank you for watching.
When color broadcasting aired in the 50s, people were blown away by the magic of a full-colored image. And just like with television, the desktop 3D printing industry has been stuck in black and white, but XYZ Printing aims to change that. We bring you the Vinci Color, the world's first full-color FFF 3D printer, and thus ushering in the new full-color era of desktop 3D printing. Powered by 3D ColorJet technology, the Vinci Color combines inkjet printing with fused filament fabrication to create full-color prints. CMYK inkjet cartridges drop color onto every layer of PLA filament and are easy to maintain since they can be removed individually. With a hands-free auto-calibration system, motors move the knobs for you so you don't have to worry about calibration. The Vinci Color also has a robust 7.9 by 7.9 by 5.9 inch build size, and its easy removable print bed allows for easy print extraction. The 5-inch full-color LCD touchscreen interface enables you to navigate through all printer functions. And with Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, sharing designs with your printer has never been easier. Let the Vinci Color take your design to a new level, allowing creative minds like animators to produce prototypes in true color that are ready to be shown to executives and producers. Character designers to print out their favorite comic book, video games, or fantasy characters in their authentic shape and in full color. Or art designers to give their clients a glimpse of the final product by printing out scaled-down models of their artwork. Bring your creations to life in full color with the Vinci Color, the world's first full-color fused filament fabrication 3D printer.
Hi back! Now that everything is out of the box, the next step is to set it up all together. For the Vyper, it's really easy. You don't have a lot of work to do. So here you can see the 4 long screws. You're going to use them to fix the 2 axes together. There are 3 screws for fixing the screen. For the hot bed, you just have to place it on the magnetic platform, just like this. Now I'm going to show you how to mount everything together. The Vyper LCD screen is larger and more convenient to operate. Alright, now everything's set up. Let's print something, shall we? So now you can open the Vyper. You're going to land on the menu, and the first action you're going to take is to level the platform. Vyper has an incredible feature, which is the auto leveling platform, which means that the leveling is going to be automatic. So now you can install the filaments in. Just have to place the filament string inside the filament sensor. Once the temperature is reached, you can press the filament in button. Before printing, remove the excess of filament. The Vyper includes a filament sensor that helps you suspend the printing when it detects that there's no filament inside. The printing speed of the Vyper is from 80 mm to 100 mm per second, which is 30% faster than the last generation. It also includes a double fan, which will increase heat dissipation, which will help to cool down the model faster. Also, which is really nice, is that the Vyper offers a bigger printing surface of 24 per 24 per 26 centimeters.
Ideas. HALOT Sky, our new LCD 3D printer equipped with self-developed slicing software system, optimize the usage of 3D modeling and slicing to ensure easy utilizing and promptly converting your dream into reality. HALOT Sky has renovated the LCD printing technology for 3D industry. It adopts self-developed integral light source and auto-adjustment technology in software to realize precise light structure and the application layout of light principle. These will contribute to depicting the detail more exquisitely and printing the edges more smoothly, which would eventually result in high precision printing quality and the overall success rate of printing. Even if you are a new player, you can find your favorite reference template through the Creality Cloud app and start your exploration journey of various types of amazing personalized designs. The self-developed new system is perfectly embedded inside the 5-inch high-definition vertical screen on the printer body. To ease the anxiety of waiting and upgrading user experience, Creality Cloud also supports real-time monitoring of printer status and managing the printing process. A self-developed, customized, high-performance motherboard with super data processing and excellent graphics processing capabilities is applied to HALOT Sky. The reinforced Z-axis structure, composed of dual configuration of linear guide rail and ball screws, allows the printing accuracy up to 0.01 millimeters, which greatly guarantees the stability of printing and ultimately present your creativity in most delicate and outstanding way. Creality HALOT Sky with industrial-grade high-precision LCD printing technology serves perfectly for various applications of multiple industries, multiple scenarios, and different groups of end users. In the future, HALOT Sky will continue to use extraordinary, high-quality LCD printer to realize all your dreams into reality.